so I need the warm up. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really glad to see you here, and today we will discuss a best strategy in 2023. And it's actually very cold here, so I need the warm up. So for today I have got $20 on my account and I choose Scalping channel indicators. We leave the default settings, and of course, as usual, I'm going to add a stochastic oscillator. I change over both level 75 and over salt level 25. Alright. By the way, if you want to start earning money with me, you can follow my Telegram channel where I can share free signals for your own profitable trades. Link in the description. Don't miss the cool change. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. It's easy for you and it's important for me. Let's find a good moment for our first trade. As we can see, the green stochastic oscillator line crosses the red one from top to the bottom. We also see that the price is at a resistance level, and I think that in the near future the price will go down a bit. Let's open a deal and see what happens. My first profit for today, and now my balance is $37, which is great. Let's continue to trade and find a good moment to enter the trade. The price has a very good downside potential. The indicator also confirms our entry point. This is the intersection of the 75 mark. So let's open the trade down for 1 minute at $35. And one more profit for today. Good result. Let's find another good moment right now. I see an uptrend on this currency pair. Let's try to depict. This is our trend line, and we see how the price started from it 3 times. The first time, the second, and the third. I open a deal up for 1 minute at $68. You can see that the stochastic is on the higher level right now, and we have got profit. It's $128. As you remember, we start from 20. That a good result. Let's find next good example. So here we see that the candle crossed the middle line of the Scalping channel from top to the bottom. We also see that on the stochastic oscillator, the 75 mark is also crossed from top to bottom. I open the deal down for 1 minute. This one was too close, and now we see a good intersection of the lines on the stochastic oscillator. Guys, remember that we started with $20 and now my balance is close to $246. By the way, this is the best binary option strategy, and quotex is very convenient to use. Quotex has a fairly simple interface that makes it easy and quick to understand. On this currency pair, we see a signal for a decline on the stochastic oscillator. Let's look at the higher time frames. Here, we see that the price is at the resistance level for the third time. Let's picture it. This is our resistance level, and we see how the price reaches this level for the first time it turns around. In the second. And now we see that the price has reached this level. I think we can open the deal down. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame. And here on the stochastic oscillator, we already see a good intersection of the lines. I open the deal down for 1 minute. The next transaction closes with a profit. Guys, this is really the best strategy. It's very simple. Use it in your trading and write in the comment how much you have already earned. Let's find another good situation. Here I see a bullish rectangle pattern. This is a trend continuation figure. We see an upward movement. Then we formed a rectangle in which the price moves from the resistance level to the support level. And now the price is at the resistance level. We can open a deal down for 1 minute. I think we will get a good result, but let's wait. Absolutely crazy result, guys. Now my balance is $874. Oh my god, I like the binary options. I remind you that in my free Telegram channel you can find a lot of information about trading and binary options. Link in the description, join us. So here we see that the mark of 25 has been crossed on the stochastic oscillator. This is our first signal to increase. The second signal for an increase is that the candles have pushed off from the lower line of the Keltner channel and are now moving to the upper one. I open the deal up for 1 minute. And as we can see, the deal closes successfully again. This is really the best and easiest strategy, also perfect for beginners. On this currency pair, we see that the price is at the support level for the second time. Also, the lines of the stochastic oscillator begin to intersect from the bottom up. This gives a signal to open a deal up. And we fix our profit again. Excellent result. I am very happy. Remember, we started with just $20. This is all because quotex offers a high payout percentage. This is a very excellent result. Here we see a downtrend, but on the stochastic oscillator we see how the lines have crossed the mark of 25. And also the candles are slightly above the middle line of the Keltner channel. I open the deal up for 1 minute. We are making a profit again, thanks to our best strategy. And let's continue to trade and find a good moment for the last deal. Here, we also see a downtrend, but on the stochastic oscillator we see a signal to increase. Let's look at the higher time frames. Here we see that the price is at the support level and I think we can open the deal up, but we have to wait a bit. Let's move on to the 1 minute time frame. Great moment of opening a deal and let's wait for what happens. We've made $4,222 in profit. I think it's a really good result in this time. And thank you so much for your attention, guys. And if you also want to know how to earn money with binary options and stochastic oscillator, please subscribe my Telegram channel and earn with me.